How much pet hair is still hiding in your carpet even after vacuuming? One deep shampoo pass later and the glove still tells the truth. Big thanks Sir Brad for trusting RSC Cleaning Ink. This Karcher canister vacuum machine helps us achieve more thorough vacuuming before carpet shampooing. Less head and dust, less trapped pet hair, better carpet shampooing results. RSC Cleaning Ink. For your peace of mind, we leave no dirt behind. Pre-spraying time. Letting the carpet soak before the real dirt surrender begins. This soaking stage pulls hidden dirt and pet hair to the surface before shampooing starts. Shampooing time. Years of trapped dirt and pet hair getting extracted. This isn't just carpet shampooing. This is deep cleaning you can actually see in the dirty water. Carpet stairs shampooing time, where dirt hides the deepest. Every stair getting detailed shampooing for a fresher, cleaner walk. This dirty water proves the carpet was dirtier than it looked. Carpet look clean until the shampooer poured out the hidden dirt. RSC Cleaning Ink. We love to bring carpets back to life. Can you kindly like, share, and follow us? Big thanks in advance, and thanks for watching!